I'm currently at my family's summer cottage and I thought I'd film a what I eat in a day video. We're here to celebrate midsummer, which is a big holiday here in Finland. But now, let's go and make breakfast and then I can show you around the cottage. So welcome to our summer cottage. Almost everyone in Finland spends their summers at a summer cottage. Our cottage was just renovated. On the left you can see a video clip of the old kitchen. This looks like a completely new place. We now even have electricity and running water here. The big windows are my favorite part. We only have a dry toilet here. In Finnish it's called huussi. And here's a smaller cabin where we sleep. There are 2 bedrooms here. And here is the sauna, which is right by the lake. My favorite part about the cottage is definitely the view. It's so beautiful here. For lunch, we're making a Greek-style pasta salad. Then I went paddleboarding with my brother's dog. He loves paddleboarding. If I go without him, he will jump into the water and swim to the board. Right after this, he saw Aaron on his kayak and he jumped into the water and swam to the kayak. Such a funny dog. For snack, I made a blueberry banana chocolate smoothie. Might sound a bit weird, but it was really good. I added half a banana, some frozen wild blueberries, low-fat Greek yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of vegan chocolate protein powder, and a little bit of milk. I only had chocolate-flavored protein powder at the cottage, so that's why I had to use it, but I actually really liked the combo. We want to have a crepe cake for dessert after dinner, so we're going to start prepping that already now. Finnish crepes are like a traditional dessert that people make during midsummer. First, I cracked 3 eggs into a bowl. Then I added some milk and whisked everything together. Then I added sugar and salt and whisked again. Next, I added flour and mixed everything together. Then I let the batter sit for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I made the filling. I just whisked some heavy cream And then I added unsweetened quark and a little bit of sugar. Then I built the cake. I topped the crepe with the whipped cream layer, and next I added some berries, and then I just repeated the process. I wanted to film a what I eat in a day video on a holiday to show that treats and foods like pizza can be a part of healthy lifestyle since it's all about balance. Everything in moderation is the key. We put the cake into the fridge while we made dinner. For dinner, we're going to make pizzas, so let's start by making the crust. First, I heated water in the microwave, and then I added the yeast and mixed it with the water. Next, I added maple syrup and salt and mixed everything together. Then I added half of the flour and mixed with a mixer for 2 minutes. Then I added rest of the flour and mixed for 2 more minutes. Lastly, I added the olive oil and mixed for 1 more minute. I didn't have a rolling pin, so I had to use my hands to flatten the dough. Then I added the toppings. I added some tomato sauce, pesto, and shredded chicken, and lots of cherry tomatoes, and lastly, some mozzarella. I baked the pizzas at 220 Celsius degrees, 430 in Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. The pizzas turned out so good. I like adding arugula on top of pizza just before serving. And here's the ready crepe cake. Such a fun dessert idea for summer. One of the midsummer traditions here in Finland is to make a bonfire. It was midnight at this point and it was still so bright outside. This is my favorite time of the year because it's bright pretty much 24/7. Those were all the meals I had today. I hope you like this a little bit different kind of video format. The written recipes are in the description box as always. Enjoy!